Hi everyone, so this is local converter for OneNote to Excel. The application name is called OneNote Groomer. You can find it on Microsoft Store, hopefully by next week. Basically, this is what it looks like right now. And you can drop a OneNote file over here. So right now I can cancel it and then let me just show you how it looks like. You can find your OneNote file. And the way to do this is you go to your OneNote page and then right click on one of those sections or just one page or a whole package like this one. For demo purpose, let's do it from the a small section so it's easier. And then once you export it, you find them over here in your file path. You go ahead to the application, click on OneNote file, and then drop it in. You can also just drop the main from here. You can drop the main like this, or you can also use Excel file. Let's say you have a huge Excel file with a lot of data, but you just want some of them to be extracted into a structured template. In that case, you can also use this as source, any Excel file to be the source of the process. But now let's just use OneNote. Since this is the most requested use case where you convert the unstructured information into a structured data set. To do this, we're going through this process phase where we can use the local LLM or Llama with different types of models. In this case, we're using Llama 2 to process the data and feed them into a mapped column, into a set of mapped columns and output the Excel file. And here you can design you can customize the column names. For example, here, meeting, we want to see the key decision, financial information, contact details, status, outcomes, or any follow-up items. Or you can also drop a Excel template which specifies exactly what columns you want for the outcome. Now, since it's processing, so once you drop the file, you can hit the process button, it will process for you. And at the end of the day, you can either click open file location or open file immediately here. Then it will show you the output of the process. Now I already finished it before I pre-processed it, so it's already here. I can open up to let you see what that looks like. So this column will list all of the column names, all of the companies. Some of them are empty because some OneNote pages don't really have company names. The AI cannot find any company name. And same for these columns. Some of them are missing because they just cannot find it, which is reasonable because you don't do data validation in OneNote anyway. It's not really a survey. It's more like just some random notes. But you can also validate to see if they are actually working or not by looking at the page number. Oh, it's not there, but it should be there. Well, and some follow items probably empty, but hopefully this can provide you guys a prototype for how this would work. For more accurate results, it's better to have Excel template for accurate mapping for each column. And even with Excel template, the AI will still be used to classify each item into the designated maps.